how to remove your YouTube channel from your profile on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove it easy and quick. First, open your profile here, click on your profile and then scroll down until you find here YouTube. Click on it and now remove it, and that's it. After that, just click this black button here, save, and as you see, your changes have been successfully saved. It means that you need to go back and it will be saved, and that's it. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.